Okay, this is where we left off with this previous video. We had made all the edits to our parts, and now it's time to really assemble this, to bring these pieces together. And so if we go back and look at our schematic here, really this one right here is the same view that we're looking at. And so really it's just a matter of bringing all these pieces together. So I'm going to start in the bottom, and I'm going to bring part C nice and snug into part D, that little rabbit that we made. And so let's go back to Fusion, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And we're going to use a new command here that's called the move command. And so first I'm going to select this body. And how we're going to do it though is over here, right, it's a free move. I can move it anywhere. And this says a translate, this says a rotate, and a point to point is the one we want. So I'm going to select that first. And so I'm going to select my origin point. So I'm going to pick this object, rotate around, and want this point to go to this point. So see how I selected the origin point? Now I'm going to select the target point, which is right there. And you can see it just kind of slides in there, which is exactly what we want. We can hit OK. And so part C is now where we want it to be. Now let's bring part E in here. Okay, and you can see, I think this view does a nice job of kind of showing how that fits together. It slides right into that. All right, so now we're going to kind of move our camera around a little bit more. And I want to flatten it out some. There we go. And so we're going to hit move again. And so we're going to move this part E. And we're going to do it point to point again. So my origin point, I can pick any of these. I'm going to pick this outside one. And then my target point's going to be right there. And it's just going to slide in there. Hit OK. Back to our home view. And you can kind of orbit around now and see how this is kind of coming together. And so now that I have A is already where it needs to be, E is slidden into where it needs to be, C is where it needs to be, we just need to bring part B nice and tight in there. And so we're going to hit move again. We're going to do everything the same. We're going to move this thing. We're going to do point to point. So what origin point do I want? Let's go ahead and pick that point. Target point, that one right there. And you can see now everything is nice and snug, exactly how we want it to be. All of my components are still how we want them to be. We can hide our sketches. And this is now all finished. And so this would be what you take the screenshot of, so you can take a snip of this whole screen and submit it for this last assignment. All right, thank you.